Okay, today we have just received a Jetson AGX Xavier from Nvidia. It's an AI supercomputer in a credit card sized format, so we're super excited. It's about 40 times faster than the TX1, the Jetson TX1 that we've been using on our hobby robot previously. So this is going to, we think, really empower embedded edge computing AI. Yes! So let's do it, Peter. Oh, the squiggly bits are going everywhere. Let's get round that.
That's quite heavy.
It isn't. So lock the drones then.
Maybe it's a
power
maybe it's a
supply.
manual.
And I think down there, yes. So this has around, is it 5 teraflops of 32-bit performance, I think, and 10 teraflops of 16-bit. 512 CUDA cores, 8 ARM cores. Oh, it looks nice.
It does.
It's actually bigger than I expected.
I don't think.
Is it?
Maybe it's the
It does say we should be observing anti-static precautions.
We are of course anti-static
Yeah.
in nature.
So let's get it out. Here we go. Would you do the honours? Hold it up so they can. Look at that. So what ports do we have going around the on the back side? I think we have. So we have HDMI, SATA. Is that Ethernet, power, USB-C.
Probably some micro SD card.
Yeah, just in there. Can
Connector.
you see that? Then we've got some kind of a. What is this one for?
It's probably an external high-speed connector thing. Or no, it's probably PCI Express.
Yeah. Then we've got another one here, another USB-C. I think that might be for flashing. And we've got some GPIO and some switches. And I think we actually have to take this to bits to fit the SSD drive.
Yeah.
Because it's the Wi-Fi module goes here, and then I think we've got some camera connectors underneath.
Yeah, yeah.
So we'll get on with that now.
Let's need to get a screwdriver.
I think so.
Yeah.